Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can pull an image search on AliExpress. If you'd like to find a product on this marketplace and you don't know the name of the product and all you have is an image of the product, here's how you can do an image search on AliExpress. Now if you look at the top right side of your screen, you see a camera icon with a search in it. Just click on that. So the next thing is to take an image of the product that you like to search, or you can choose the option to pick from album. So we're just going to go with the album option. Just click allow album access, allow limited access, and then we go straight to the product which we want to upload. For the sake of this, I'm going to be using this product. Click allow. All right, so you can see immediately the image is uploaded to AliExpress. It pulls up a list of related products to that image. So that's how to do a simple image search on AliExpress. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.